see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Good morning. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung outfit ni Holly. Ayun. Kahapon, suit niya rin yung blazer niya yan. And nag-hula hoop siya. Nag-IG story ako. So, ayos na sila. Mag-walking sila. Nandito si Sophie. Today is April 1.
No, April the 2nd.
Ah, the 2nd?
No.
1.
The 1st.
Yeah, the 1st. Okay. Mag-walking sila. See ya. Love you too. See ya. Yeah, walking na sila. Okay, see you, Sophie. Baba, you don't have to stop, huh? Keep walking. And watch for the car. Listen and? Yes. Dito pala ako sa parking lot sa school ni Holly kasi half day lang siya every Thursday. And yung Thursday niya, nabanggit ko na sa inyo, alternate yun. So, this week, meron siya. Then, next week, wala. So, half day lang siya. 11:30 yung pick up niya. 11:20 pa lang naman. May 10 minutes pa ako. And, mayroon pala akong dalang Up and Go. Strawberry yung flavor. Inumin ko siya and may dalawa akong Yakult. Isa kay Holly, tsaka isa sa akin. And kahapon, hindi ko sa inyo napakita. Ito pala, isa rin to sa mga nabili ko sa Asian Shop, yung bagong na-discover ko. Ito yung sunflower seeds. Masarap siya. Masarap din nito yung pula, pero wala siya. Kaya green yung kinuha ko. And after dito, and may dala pala akong may dala rin pala akong pear. Ito sa akin, and ito kay Holly. Favorite to ni Holly. And after natin pick up na si Holly, diretso tayo sa Mount. Kasi may schedule ko for SNS. So, hintayin ko lang mag 11:30. So, 11:23. Andyan lang. Dito lang. Malapit lang talaga yung school niya. Oh, dito na siya, guys. And tingnan nyo na yung kanyang buhok. What happened to your hair, Baba?
What?
Look. Kanina, di ba, nung umalis siya, ayos na ayos. Andito na yung kanyang bow. And meron siyang dala. What's your apple?
Easter Bunny.
Oh, that's for Easter Bunny. Who wrote this one? Show it to them.
I wrote it myself.
Your name? You write your name? You wrote your name?
Yes.
Ayan, oh, ang cute. Easter Bunny daw. Ayan, may mga
Now
eggs.
let's go.
Okay, where are we going?
To paint our nails.
Where's your apple? Mayroon siyang dalang apple din. Let me see. Ayan.
Nah, I'm supposed
Pinik daw nila dito sa garden. So, okay, alis na tayo. Yeah, I will fix it later. Ayusin ko yung book niya mamaya. So, alis na tayo. Put your seatbelt. Malaki na siya. Kaya niya na yung sarili niya dyan, oh. Pero chine-check ko pa rin. Okay. Ah, favorite song niya. Okay? Good job! Di ba, nag-concert siya. Ito na yung Yakult mo, oh. Welcome. Don't spill it, okay? Let's go. Dito na kami sa town. Daan muna ako dito sa bangko bago ako magpa-SNS. And yung kasama ko, tingnan nyo. Ayan po siya. Oy! Are you pretending? No, nakatulog siya. And, kaya binigay niya. Ito, binigay ko to sa kanya kanina. And then, inantok siya. Binigay niya na sa akin. Okay, come on, Baba. Let's go to the bank first. Come on.
Bunker.
Bunker. Bank.
Bunkers.
Bank.
Bunker.
Bank. Just a bank.
Bunk.
Yeah, okay, come on. Come on. Tinanggal ko pala yung, ano niya, yung yellow top kasi mainit dito sa town. Kanina umaga kasi malamig. Tapos na kami sa bank. Dito na tayo sa Central. Kung saan nandito rin yung Kmart. Tsaka yung paggagawa natin ng nails. Excited siya. Okay. Dito tayo, guys. So, habang nakababad yung kamay ko dito para matanggal yung lumang SNS, si Hall, alam nyo ba, andun lang siya, oh. Andun lang siya, oh. Naghihintay sa akin. Andun siya, baba. Natanggal na yung lumang SNS. And nandito na rin si Holly. Kanina, hindi siya makaupo sa akin dito kasi may customer dyan kanina. Kasi dapat may space. Ha? Social distancing ba? So, nagpipili ako ng kulay na ipalalagay natin. Si Holly, gusto niya raw ito, oh, yung glittery na pink. Ako, gusto ko sana white, pero para maiba naman, siguro ito na lang. No? Yan na lang. I-try ko to. 312 yung kanyang number. So, eto. What? Pili siya ng kulay niya. Which one? What color? This one? This one? Or... that one daw, Baba. Oh. Wow! Glittery! Say thank you. Come on. Tapos na kayo magpa-nails. Magla-lunch lang kami dito ni Holly. Late lunch na kasi ano na, 2 o'clock na. No. Come on. Order na ako ng sushi. Meron teriyaki. Tapos, eto yung chicken avocado. Tapos, meron din na tempura na crab stick. And eto yung nails niya. Show your nails, Baba. Ayan. And eto yung akin. You're right? No. That's mine. Yan sa'yo. Dalawa yung kanya. And meron akong hotdog. May mustard, cheese, and sauce. And, okay, wait. And banana milkshake. Okay, kain muna kami, guys. Say, kain. Tapos na kaming kumain. Gusto ni Holly dito mag-ride. No, I think I have coins. $2 siya. Yeah? Here. Lucky. Oh, that's $1, Baba. Wait, don't put it in here. Hala, baka yan lang yung ad. Wait, Baba, wag ka muna. I know, sorry.
Need a card.
No, Baba.
Need a card.
$1 lang pala. Sorry, Baba. Next time. Card? Let's see. Ayan. Card yung ginamit ko. Okay, just wait, Baba. Thank you. Start daw, Baba.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Here we go.
Hi, Baba. Yun lang. Okay, let's go. Come on.
That's fun, Mommy.
Yeah, that was fun. Wait for me. Punta muna kami dito sa Kmart. Ayan. O, Kmart muna kami bago kami umuwi. Come on, Baba. Hold Mommy's hand. Yeah. Just walk properly, please. Walk properly. Okay, let's go. Tingin ako ng maliit na storage basket. Ang ganito ba? Yung nakita ko sa IKEA. Kaso yung nakita namin sa IKEA, walang takip. So, malaki naman ito. Not that one, Baba. Come here. Wala akong makita doon na storage na yung, ano ba? Yung plastic. Malalaki yun nandun.
These are cute.
Sabi niya, these are cute.
Mom, look at this headband.
Yeah.
Cute headband.
It is, Baba.
I should wear this for Easter.
For Easter? That's not a bunny.
Mom, see? So you come. I have this, remember, Mom?
No, you don't.
Zoe has it.
Who?
Zoe.
Oh, your classmate.
Yeah, my friend.
Clearance dito. Meron dito si Holly nung summer.
I have this.
$7 na lang
I
siya.
have it by Mommy.
I know you do, Baba. Ang mga kinahihiligan ko ngayon na. Yeah. Kinahihiligan ko ngayon na bilhin ay eto mga ganito, mga tea towels. Nag-order din ako online sa Target. And eto, parang type ko to. Dami siyang nakikita. Yan. What's this? Tea towel din. Yan, pot holder. What?
It's bad.
You don't need that bag, Baba.
It smells new.
Dito, $8.
Look,
Okay.
guys. This is for your face.
No, that's ice pack, Baba.
Yes, if you get hot.
Okay. Bahay na kami, guys. Nakatulog si Holly. Baba. We're home, Baba. Baba, come on. Come on. Come on. Kuya Tijan, Kuya Sak will be here soon. And maybe Sophie. Come on. Pauwi na rin yung mga bata. Come on, Baba. Nandito na pala yung mga boys. And kanina sa Kmart, sobrang nagmamadali ako kasi pauwi na yung mga bata. Ayun sila, Kuya and si Sak naglalaro. Kuya, come here. Si Kuya tsaka si Sak naglalaro ng PS4. And ayan, naka-change na sila. Nakapagpalit na silang damit kasi. Yeah, may footy training sila kaya palit na sila kasi mamaya ako yung maghahatid doon kasi 'di ba si Jan wala dito, nasa Adelaide siya and gabing-gabi na yung darating kasi mag-hit pa yun ng golf after niya ma-drop kung ano man yung i-drop off niya doon. And yeah, so mamaya punta tayo ng footy training. So i-haul ko to sa inyo. Yun nga, nagmamadali ako kanina sa Kmart. So, ito yung mga nabili ko. Mga tea towels. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Kinahiligan ko ngayon yung mga tea towels. Sa Target, may in-order din ako sa kanila. Yung price doon, $12, $9. So, ito, Kmart, $9. And, meron siyang iba-ibang design. 3 silang piraso. Meron siyang iba-ibang design. And yung iba dito, ipapadala ko sa Pinas kasi magbabalik bayan box ako. Kasi ito, diba, 3. Tapos ito naman, pare-pareho lang. Pero maganda yung tela niya. So, yung isa or dalawa dito kay mama. So, ito, $9. Ito ata, $6 or $7. Ito, maganda to. $9 to. Puti siya, pero yung stripes, iba-iba yung kulay. So, ito, iba-ibang design ng iba-ibang kulay yung stripes nito. Kaya maganda. Hindi tulad nito, pare-pare. Maganda sana kung iba-ibang kulay, no? Kaya kinuha ko, iba-ibang kulay. Pero sa isang ganito, 3 piraso sila. So, ito okay lang kasi iba-ibang design niya. May square na white, tapos ito naman brown na square, tapos parang iba rin naman yung design, diba? Tapos ito, plain, hindi plain, ganyan yung kulay niya. Brown. Light brown. So, $6 yata to 7. And red, $7. Kalimutan ko, 6 or 7. Basta, ang mahal dito, ito, yung $9. Kasi meron din talagang $7 and $6. So, eto tatlo. Pare-pareho lang. So, ipapadala yung iba dyan kay mother. Eto, $9 to. So, bibigyan ko nito si mama kasi pare-pareho lang naman yung design niya. Oh. And eto, eto $9. Tatlo rin siyang piraso pero iba-iba yung kanyang design. Pareho yung kulay. Iba lang yung design. Tapos, eto yung last. Tinignan ko to. Eto, 10 na ang kanya. Kasi sabi ko, ilang ba to? Binilang ko. 10. Kanina ba sa Kmart? Kaya ito na lang kinuha ko kasi inano ko siya. Pinunit ko na ba siya? Ayan, 10 siya. So, mayroon siyang black, 3 black, then 3 blue, and 3 red. So, kay mama to. Ibigay natin to kay mother. And bumili ako ng eto ba, yung bicycle shorts. Ayan, meron siyang pockets. Ang kulay niya ay may pagka-olive green. May dalawa siyang pockets, pero parang gray siya sa camera. Eto, magkano bili ko nito? Eto, $12. Nakalagay $12. Training performance. Tapos yung isa, ayan, black. Eto, mas mahal to, $15. Pero pareho lang naman yung kanyang brand. Training performance ang nakalagay. $15 siya. So, yan yung mga nabili ko sa Kmart. And, kaya marami akong tea towels. Kasi papalitan ko yung mga tea towels ko. Kasi, ang papangit na ng tea towels namin, yung iba punit-punit na tulad nito. Ayan, punit-punit na. And, may kalumaan na talaga, oh, diba? Kahit bagong labas siya. Mabango siya, pero tingnan mo, madungi siya tingnan. Kaya, kailangan ko nang palitan yung mga tea towels ko. So, ayusin ko yan. And, i-prepare ko na kayo yung lulutuin ko. Ang ulam namin ngayon ay ano na lang ako. Magtortang sardinas na lang ako. Yun yung ulam ni Papa. Paborito yun ni Papa, ya. Magtortang sardinas na lang ako. Bala ko sana mag-aadobo akong, sitaw na may pork belly. Bukas na lang yun kasi wala na akong oras kasi mamaya alis kami 4 o'clock. So, yeah, may sardinas ako. May nabili pala akong sardinas. Yung pa pala yung nabili ko sa Asian store doon sa Thai. Bumili ako ng sardinas. 5 nito. Ito yung 5 kasi ito yung mayroon sila. Wala sila yung Youngstown. And bumili rin akong Argentina. So, ito yung hindi ko napakita sa inyo kahapon. 2 Argentina. Tapos 5 sardinas. So, yan yung ulam namin mamaya. So, ayusin ko lang yung kalat ko dito. Papunta na kami ng yes.
This is your first time.
Yeah, first time ko kayo ihatid doon. Yeah, first time to...
No, second.
To drop you off there or to take you to the foodie train. This is the first time.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, but you've been there before.
Yeah, I've been there before.
Wait, yeah, you have.
Yeah.
We walked.
So, 1 hour yung training nila. Ang suit ko pala ay yung misguided. Yung na-haul ko sa inyo before, yung oversized na t-shirt, tapos naka bicycle shorts. And alam nyo bang briefing na ako ng mga bata?
Tinga, you found your shorts?
Sabi nila, I'm not allowed to
Yell.
yell.
No.
Why?
I've never ever seen anyone yell.
Go, Kuya! Go, 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 Kuya! Go, 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 Kuya! Go, Kuya! Go! Go, Kuya! Go! Keep going, Kuya! Go, go! Where? At the foodie training?
Yes, no one's ever yelled.
So, bawal daw akong guys.
So you can't.
So, I can't. Sabi pa naman, Mom, you're not allowed to yell there, Mom, because that's only a training.
Yeah, you can play. You can do it in 2 weeks.
Yeah. In 2 weeks kasi may game sila.
In our first game at Glencoe.
Yeah, sa Glencoe sila pupunta in 2
Mom,
weeks.
are you gonna be watching?
Yeah. So I'm allowed to yell there?
Once someone kick a goal.
Yeah.
Only when you kick a goal.
If you kick a goal, I will, okay? But here I'm not allowed.
No, not in training. You can only yell if we kick a goal.
No, we can. I think we can do the horn.
No.
No, in the game.
Training.
No, not in the training. In the game.
No,
Diba, pinagbawalan nila.
Mum, I'm gonna have to tell you where to go. The park and that.
Okay. I didn't know where
No, but you have to park somewhere else.
Why?
Not where you with Tita Christine.
Oh, I'm not there.
Not there, not there. I'll show you. I'll show you where Dad goes. Where
Okay.
Dad goes.
4:05 na, 4:30 yung kanilang training. Pero dapat maaga na doon na kasi nag-ano pa sila, nag-warm up.
Guess what size my singlet is?
Pardon?
Guess what size my t-shirt is?
What size? 12. Wow, you're big boy.
Me too.
You're both 12. Natawa talaga ako nung sinabihan nila ako, Ma'am, you're not allowed to yell there. Sabi ko, why? No one yelling there. Why?
No one does.
No one does?
Oh, Mum, when we're playing British
But-
Bulldogs, we're gonna get tackled and smash the ground. We could get cuts.
Oh, no, if you
No,
can.
we could.
No,
Yeah,
don't.
you know Taj? He got a cut. The one that.
No, if you can avoid that, please avoid.
I don't know how.
Okay lang daw na mayroon silang mga cuts sa
You just said you don't want cuts on the face.
on the face, on the face, and if you can avoid also on your legs, please.
Mum,
Yes.
Taj didn't have football socks.
Why? That's why you have the long socks so you can protect your skin.
Yeah, but we
Yeah,
put it down.
yeah. Sock. Put it. Yeah, look at sock. Do what
I know.
socks did. Because I will be stressed again. You know that. Oh, tawanan sock.
I already got. Remember, there's a big scar there from the oval, and then Tanner Jones said, "TJ, you bleed," and I'm like, "Oh God!" So I just sprinted to the right front office, and I've been hiding it from you.
Oh, if you can.
And now it's gone.
No, it's not gone. The scars is there.
No, look, it was down there. It's gone. Mum, you know you can have a broken arm.
No, you don't need a broken
No,
arm.
not under 11s. You never get broken arms.
What?
You didn't say you want. Saying we can.
What
No.
do you mean you can? No.
No, you can't under 11s, Zach.
No, even not under 11.
Under 11.
That's why you have to be careful, even you're playing
We're
sports.
under 11 right now.
Yeah. Oh my God, you're stressing me. No more sports.
Was there no
Right.
golf?
Golf, it's alright. Not this one, because this one is a lot of tackling, a lot of going on.
Mom.
Yeah. Kaya ayaw nila ako sumama sa footy kasi marami akong
Alright,
bawal ang cats.
Mom, when we're playing British Bulldogs, I'll be in the middle, and I can only tackle people.
Yeah.
I can't. They can't tackle me
Why?
because I'm in the middle. They can't. They've got to see if they can run past me. That's easy. Zach,
No one's there.
I know. There's one of them. Cody.
Oh, is that Cody?
Kodza. Koda.
accident on it. There's accident.
Cool.
I'm just gonna follow this car. I wanna go with no sun. Kaya wala ako pang,
No.
hindi pa wala ako pag-edit, guys.
Follow to the parking. He's gonna go to the parking.
Tapos ko magluto mamaya ng tortang sardinas.
He goes to the parking too.
Tapos ko silang pakainin, maligo sila, then saka ako mag-edit. Dapat umaga ako nag-edit.
The coach would be here.
Kaso nga, wala tayo kaninang umaga, diba?
People will be
Naglaba ako kaninang umaga.
Miley.
Tapos, pinikap natin si Horing 11:30. Tapos, diretso na sa Tapos, ngayon dito naman tayo. Halang init ngayon.
Toilets?
Why you need toilets?
Oh, no, you
No, the toilets are locked somehow.
Yeah, so, why Holly?
Do you need to go?
Oh, there's a bike there.
So, where I'm going, Kuya?
You can park over there in front of signs.
So you
Oh,
can
that's
see.
for a reserve.
There, you can park in there.
Yeah, oh, it's hot. Oh my God, wala pang tao.
We'll be over in them goals over there. So
Where? Maybe I should park
no,
there.
no, no, no one parks there.
Oh, no one
Okay.
parks there. Okay. Good luck.
Bye.
Good luck. Love you. Oh, bring this
Is
water.
there? No, we don't.
Oh yeah, you got lipstick. Yeah. You don't? What if you get thirsty?
We come back.
Okay.
See ya.
Okay, see ya. Come on here, Baba. You can sit next to Mommy. Buksan natin yung ano. Doon na sila. Okay, dito tayo for 1 hour, guys. Ando na sila. May mga nagsisidatingan ng parents. Ang init nga lang. Ayun si Sak, oh. Nasaan si Kuya TJ? Si TJ nandun sa ano. Diyan, sa loob.
Mom, why window will come out?
Because it's too hot, Papa.
We should go in there.
No. Nag-warm up pa lang sila. Ayan na si Kuya, oh.
Look at us, Mom. I know. Not this water.
Why?
Sparkly.
Sorry.
Can I have the boy? Thank you, please.
Nauhaw na siya. Hindi pa sila nag-start. Nag-warm up pa lang sila. Nauhaw na siya. Hindi na. No. Okay na. You're so red.
Yeah, because I'm hot.
Okay. Ayun si Kuya, oh. Slowly. Don't waste the water. No. Don't waste this water. Ayan si Kuya. Ang pula-pula na nila. Are you gonna start soon? Okay. What grade? That one? I don't know. See ya. Good luck. Lumabas na si Hulk. Sobrang init dito sa car. Nag-start na yung mga boys. Andun sila, malayo nga lang. Hindi ko alam kung makita nyo. Doon sila sa dulo, oh. What? Just sit there, Baba. It's too hot.
Here.
Yeah.
Don't forget.
Ang init. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang init na nito, oh.
It's the green.
Nag-move kami dito sa malapit. Kung saan sila Kuya naglalaro. Ayan si Holly. Hi, Baba. And malilim dito. May ano ba? Ayan, may mga puno tayo dito. So at least hindi tayo doon sa Maisan. Kanina doon kami eh. Kasi sabi ni Kuya, doon lang daw dapat. Alam mo naman kung nakinig ako kay Kuya. So ngayon lumipat ako kay sobrang init. Andun na sila. Oh. Si Kuya, binaliktad niya na yung kanyang damit.
Mom.
White team si Kuya, si Sak red. Reversible kasi yung t-shirt nila. Ay yung footy training na shirt. Ay si Sak. Oh my God, Sak.
And I have nothing to do. Like this.
Oh. Ayan si Sak. Si Kuya naka-white. Andun si Kuya sa dulo. Ayan si Kuya. Ayan, sapatos mo, ya. Ayan si Kuya Sak.
Yeah, that's good.
Ayan si Sak. Oh. You right, Sak? Itong ayaw ko sa footy kasi sakitan talaga. Okay naman si Sak. Number 12 si Sak, si Kuya number 10. Naka-white. Oh, sa. Oh, may magkapatid. Well done, Zach. Yung coach nila yan. Mainit yan, Baba. Si Sak ulit. Good job, Sak. Saan si Kuya? Wala, yung magkapatid ang ano si Kuya dyan si Sak. Go, Sak. Go, Sak. Go, Sak. Good job. Ayan si Kuya. Isa ko lang takot. Si Sak ang magkikik. Oh. Bilis ni Sak. Andun agad si Sak. Yeah. Oh. Si Kuya. Good job, Kuya. Mark for Kuya. Go, Kuya. Good kick, Kuya. Goal. Good job. Naka-goal si Kuya. Yeah, yeah. Mahiyain lang talaga to si Kuya TJ. Uhaw to si Sak. Thirsty, Sak? Oh, Holly wants to hug you. Naka-zoom in kayo eh. Kuya, Sak, don't waste the water because we don't have much water.
He lost. TJ's team won.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
He got go.
I got hit by the rib.
By who? Natamado yung ribs niya. Kaya pala, kanina parang hinahawakan niya.
Back there.
Yeah.
No, he
Tinabasa-basa
went to
sila.
tackle me,
Yep.
but hit there and footy boot came off. Yeah, I
Alright.
tackled him.
I know.
I kicked
Tapos
the
na
goal
sila.
to the win.
Yeah, I vlogged that one, Kuya. 5:42 na. Okay, let's go. Mommy's gonna cook pa ng dinner. Come on. Gawin na kami. And kanina, ay, ang puti ko. Kanina, no, you're not allowed to here. Kanina, tumawag si Jan. Pauwi pa lang sila. So, gabi-gabi na yun. Maybe 11?
Mom,
Or
I barely did
one?
not even kick a goal.
Anong oras ba tumawag si Jan? Basta ka,
I did
nandun
not
pa
kick
sila
a
sa
goal.
ano. Nandun pa sila sa Kuyong, ganun tumawag si Jan. Pinakita ko yung mga boys. I know.
One of it.
Sir, can you put this on there, please?
Mom, I'm sitting on Cleveland.
That's,
Mom,
alright.
Mum,
Yes.
Cade, my friend Cade,
sitting on your seat.
my friend Cade,
Yeah.
he kicked it to me, landed right in the face. It
Yeah.
hurt.
I saw you tackling someone.
You see me tackle someone?
Yeah.
The big fast one just grabbed him.
That was
Took him away.
Charlie.
Yeah, you're good. Both of you are good. You suck, you're fast.
He's
Right.
faster than me, but I'm a better kicker than him.
Wow.
No, I am.
Well, Seth is only Kuya. It's
Mom,
only
I'm the
like,
second.
I should just be a defender.
Mom,
Oh.
I need the goal square.
faster.
yes. Okay,
there was some-
both of you are good. Okay? Alright. Okay, uwi na kami.
Oh, this. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, I like it. I've tried this before.
In the Philippines, nakaluto na ako, guys.
Same egg, but it like tomato.
There's no tomatoes. Yeah. Ito na yung tortang itlog na may sardinas. Tapos nagluto rin ako ng eggplant. Tapos ito na yung rice. And ito yung sabaw ng
But
sardinas.
do I have that?
Yeah. And ito, guys. Itatapon ko na to. Kasi ito ay nabasag. Nahulog ni Jan nung naglalaro sila ng footy. Remember?
A big
Bowl.
It's Holly's frozen bowl. He threw it, and Holly tried to catch it.
And yeah, but it's your dad's fault.
But no.
Regalo to ng aking mga kaibigan na nasa US. O yun, nung wedding namin, congratulations Jan, Chona and Jan. So naubusan na siya ng tubig and hindi ko na siya mapatay yung nasa loob na may puso. So itatapon ko na siya. Yeah, it's been leaking. Okay, kain na kami guys. Yan yung aming, you're welcome, dinner. So i-close ko na tong vlog. Hi, Baba. What are you doing? What happened?
What? Oh,
What did you do to your toy? So, i-close ko na yung vlog kasi yun na lang naman ang ganap namin. After nito, after namin kumain, I'm not sure, I'll try. Mag-i-edit ako. And yung mga boys maliligo. So, yun na yung vlog namin for today. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night. Hey, good night, people. Say good night. Good night.
Good night, babe.
Good night, yeah. Ay, si Oli. Okay, good night, guys. Kainin ko na sila. Subukan ko lang sila.